Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to discover the coolest Amazon gadgets you didn't know existed? These game-changing items will upgrade your home. Plus, they're all on special deals right now. Check the links below. Let's jump right into the list. Say goodbye to wasting paper with the Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. This clever gadget lets you write your notes, scan them to your favorite cloud service, and then wipe the pages clean to reuse them endlessly. It's compact, eco-friendly, and perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who loves to stay organized. Add a futuristic touch to your space with this magnetic levitating floating globe. It defies gravity, spinning in midair while its LED lights create a mesmerizing effect. It's an eye-catching addition to any desk, bookshelf, or office and makes a perfect conversation starter. Unleash your creativity with the Bensai handheld inkjet printer. This portable gadget lets you print directly on materials like wood, metal, fabric, and more. From custom logos to QR codes, its precision and ease of use make it a must-have for businesses, DIY enthusiasts, and crafters. Experience the future of presentations and gaming with the Ring wireless mouse and air gesture presenter. Slip it on like a ring, and you can control your devices with simple gestures. It's a sleek, innovative way to boost productivity or elevate your gaming setup. Keep your bathroom tidy and mess-free with this automatic toothpaste dispenser. Designed to mount on the wall, it neatly squeezes out just the right amount of toothpaste every time. With its clean, modern design, it's an ideal bathroom organizer. Never forget to hydrate again. The Hydrate Spark PRO Smart Water Bottle tracks your water intake and even lights up to remind you when it's time to drink. With its stainless steel build and Bluetooth connectivity, it's the ultimate hydration companion. Crumbs and dust on your desk? Not anymore. The Otistar desktop vacuum cleaner is cordless, powerful, and built to handle small messes with ease. Perfect for cleaning keyboards, countertops, or even kids' art tables. It's compact, energy-saving, and a fun addition to your workspace. Stay safe and germ-free with this premium no-touch door opener tool. This 4-in-1 multi-tool acts as a door opener, stylus, button pusher, and bottle opener. Compact and easy to attach to your keychain, it's perfect for everyday use or travel. Tired of stirring your coffee or tea? This self-stirring mug does the work for you with its rechargeable magnetic stirring mechanism. Just press the button, and your beverage mixes itself perfectly. Stylish, waterproof, and easy to clean, it's a gadget you'll love having around. Tame the clutter of grocery bags with this sleek plastic bag holder. Its wall-mounted design makes it easy to store and access bags, while the smudge-proof finish keeps it looking clean. Perfect for kitchens or utility rooms, it's a must-have for anyone who loves organized spaces. Charge your devices anywhere with the Hilucky solar charger. Equipped with 4 solar panels and a massive 25,000 mAh capacity, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency power. With fast charging and multiple USB ports, it's built to keep you connected no matter where you are. Bring the theater experience to your home or travels with the Akaso mini projector. This pocket-sized device delivers stunning 1080p video and connects wirelessly to your devices. With built-in speakers and a rechargeable battery, it's perfect for movie nights or business presentations. Upgrade your hand-washing routine with this touchless soap dispenser. Its adjustable volume control and sleek design make it perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. Hygienic, battery-operated, and easy to use, it's a gadget your household will love. Sanitize your surroundings with ease using this portable UV light wand. It eliminates bacteria and viruses on surfaces in seconds, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. Foldable, rechargeable, and compact. It's a must-have for anyone focused on cleanliness. Protect yourself from airborne particles with the AirTamer A315 Personal Air Purifier. Compact and wearable, it creates a cleaner air bubble around you by emitting negative ions. Rechargeable and stylish, it's perfect for crowded spaces or travel. Prepare a complete breakfast with one compact gadget. This 3-in-1 breakfast maker features griddles for eggs, bacon, and pancakes, plus a built-in toaster. Easy to clean and simple to use, it's your new kitchen favorite. Control your devices from anywhere with the 8RE smart plugs. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, these plugs let you set timers, turn on appliances, or reduce energy usage with just your voice or phone. Meet the alarm clock that won't let you oversleep. Clocky jumps, rolls, and hides until you're out of bed. Perfect for heavy sleepers or as a fun gift. It's as entertaining as it is effective. Travel smart with this foldable electric kettle. Lightweight and compact, it boils water quickly and safely with its dual voltage design. Perfect for tea lovers or frequent travelers, it's a game changer for your adventures. Illuminate dark spaces with these motion-activated puck lights. Rechargeable and easy to stick anywhere, they're perfect for under cabinets, closets, or as night lights. Dimmable and versatile, they're a simple way to brighten your home. These incredible Amazon gadgets are designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds.